Hello, my name is Emily,
Jackson, Samuel, Giselle.
Today is Friday, December 12th, 2025, and this is what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy.
From the office, 3rd grade will be traveling to WCBK Station headquarters to perform on the radio. On Monday, December 15th, tune into 102.3 FM at 10 a.m. to listen. Next Friday, December 19th, is the end of the second 9 weeks grading period. Report cards will come home after winter break.
Pre-K got to spend some time decorating gingerbread houses to finish up gingerbread week. They even got to eat some of the decorations. Yummy.
This week in kindergarten, they learned all about gingerbread men. They read many stories and versions and completed the gingerbread sequence journals. They even had gingerbread men around the school. Did you see any?
First grade has started their PLTW unit on animal adoptions yesterday. They used different materials as beaks to identify which would be best to pick up items.
2nd grade learned about what causes the seasons on Earth. Did you know that Earth's tilt and orbit are what creates the seasons in Indiana? What is your favorite season?
The 3rd graders learned how to be kind online. They learned what to do when someone is sending unkind messages online. They are also finishing up their compound machine to save a tiger that has fallen into its enclosure.
The 4th graders visit the Indiana State House for Statehood Day. We were able to rotate through several stations to learn about Indiana. It was really nice to celebrate Indiana's 209th birthday.
In library, Miss Yates will be handing out prizes for the top readers in the library for next 2 weeks. Don't forget to log your reading Beanstalk to be a winner. The elf's name is Chippy.
In PE, we are finishing our foot skills unit. We learned the difference between the inside and outside parts of our feet, and trapping the ball, and dribbling.
During music, Mr. Perry has been working hard to get ready for the music program for the holiday season. The show was fantastic. Thank you to all of the students and families who supported the students.
In computer science, we are finishing our Scratch projects. Our class has been working so hard.
After school activities, the robotics team is really getting things together. They are preparing for the 3 upcoming meets: University Elementary in Bloomington on January 10th, Bell on January 24th, and Bell on February 28th.
From the PTO is having a dance in January. I am so excited to shake off the cold. Are you too? Please show your parents the paper and then turn it into your teacher by December 17th. The dance party is free, but we need to know how many dancers come. We hope you are one of them.
Joke of the week: why did the elf go to school?
I don't know why.
To improve his alphabet.
Thanks for watching What's Happening on Brooklyn STEM Academy, and see you next week. Bye!